Kaishan yagulo kaisa India ni Bwkhaktwi kirima singsa chopro mungkhlaimani yagulo paithago India ni thani bokhrak bomkha Pakistan nasle mungni tomung yakare paithago tongkusang ni lama naituka Pakistan ni koimungbai Bwkhaktwi ni bagai Choba Mwthakjakha ni gosung rekha India final 12 match halmariwa khlaijaknai Khaknwi Bwkhaktwi kok salaimung Likely 22nd April Shalmariwa Jammu Kashmir ni Pahalgam Pakistan by Rohorjak Silai Patam Tungnya Rokni Yago Khorang Sidok Bwkhaktwi ni Yagulo Kaini Hakton Bisingo Hamia Ungmani Tongkhor Party Mungni Saljibani Yagulo Lightning 7 match Shalmariwa Operation Sindur ni Bisingtwi Pahalgam Party Mungni Yagul Sukar India O Horo Pakistani Kaichugo terrorist camp no Bwkhaktwi rekha Indian Army Abon Yagulo Pakistan hapangi gomaka horni muktrei India ni sakao kaisen yagulo kaise attack khlaiye Choba ni tongkhor asai rekha Pakistan drone attack dai missile baike India hani tongkosong borokrong ni sakao attack khlaika Pakistan hiaba Pakistani joto nahar bungno buksa khlai rekha Indian Army Indian Navy dai Indian Air Force abo haikeno Pakistani Bwkhaktwi khlaijakmani attack no phirok mung rekha India sakbai thani hawono Pakistani borokrokno nokni ongkhornani relia India ni choprok mung Pakistani ha nokha gleirei India by attack khlaijakmani yagulo gomaka Pakistani bagrum barmung saltoni bisingo no India ni chopromung phigung sakao klaimani yagulo imang siare nokha Pakistan hapang haboni bagai paithago India ni thani bokhrak bomnani nangkha Pakistan nasle mungni tomung yakare paithago tongkusangni lama naituka Pakistan ni koimung bai Bwkhaktwi ni bagai Choba Mwthakjakha ni gosung rekha India Pakistan kahamkeno saimanka India bai Choba nanglai suke world ni map ni gomai thanglai Pakistan abon bagai paithago yasku sungoi Chasal ni dam thamtamoi sori thamsiba eba 3:35 pm tamani jorao India ni DJM ni thani Choba yakare India bai ceasefire khlainani koimung rekha Pakistani DJM Pakistani koimung no India bo gosina harka salaimani bisingtwi haktorni kaini ni bisingo no jungjal tongmani kogrong no sokobonani gosumung harka Pakistan Farsal Sarini dambani Simi chengjangnai haktor kaini ni bisingo sayat Chasal Sarigo kaisa kokthum banda khlai o saklaimung rekha India ni Foreign Secretary Bwkhaktwi final 12 match halmariwa khlaijangnai kaini Bwkhaktwi kok salaimung hne bo saka India ni Foreign Secretary Bwkhaktwi
I have a very brief statement to make. Following that, as you know, there will be a briefing by my colleagues from the military. The Director General of Military Operations of Pakistan called the Director General of Military Operations of India at 15:35 hours earlier this afternoon. It was agreed between them that both sides would stop all firing and military action on land and in the air and sea with effect from 1700 hours Indian Standard Time today. Instructions have been given on both sides to give effect to this understanding. The Directors General of Military Operations will talk again on the 12th of May at 1200 hours.
Fiaba India te Pakistani bisingo kisa jorani bagai ceasefire khlaijak phano Kashmir ni sakao yagrumung Mwthakjakha hanke financial haino hai Pakistan bai Choba nanglaini ni nangnai abutai ketal koya haipano srapsan bagai phano India te Pakistani bisingo Choba nanglaimung bathakmani bagai khafurmani yafarka America ni President Donald Trump Bureau Report Chini Khorang